Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then open the code where the issue appears. You must confirm language and runtime so you avoid environment mismatches. Once done, extract a minimal failing snippet and create a small test file with representative inputs. Make sure to add simple logging or print statements now so you can see intermediate values. This direct start prevents wasted setup time and gets you into the actual debugging flow immediately, where you'll observe behavior and capture the first clues. You now isolate the failing logic and walk through it methodically. Run the trimmed snippet using controlled inputs and record any errors or stack traces. These are your primary clues. Next, step through with a debugger or sprinkle checkpoints to inspect key variables and branching decisions. Once you observe discrepancies, write down quick hypotheses about root causes and design a targeted test to confirm one hypothesis at a time. This systematic narrowing saves time and uncovers subtle assumptions or off-by-one mistakes. You apply the minimal corrective change that addresses the confirmed cause, then run your unit tests and several edge cases to validate behavior. Make sure to add a small regression test and brief comments explaining the fix so future readers understand the intent. If something still fails, revert to the last known good checkpoint and reevaluate your assumptions, because an incorrect assumption often hides the true bug. Keep detailed logs and incremental commits. They're your fastest route to recover when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.